Dear students, in the previous episode, that is the category, we discussed about the chapter that is unit number 12, area related to circle. There are 3 questions to be done, and there is a calculation. The last part of that question, that is the area of that white region is equal to the product minus area of the previous region. We get the result. And the fourth question is, that is fourth question of exercise 12.1. The wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter. How many complete revolutions does wheels make in 10 minutes with the speed 66 km per hour? That means wheels are of the circular shape. Then the distance travelled in 1 minute is equal to, or in 1 revolution, not 1 minute, in 1 revolution is equal to 2 pi r. That means the perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r. Therefore, in 1 minute, the length described by that wheel is equal to 2 pi r. That is in 1 revolution. Therefore, diameter of the car wheels is 80 centimeter. That means answer R is equal to diameter is 80. 40 centimeter. Then circumference of the wheel, perimeter, is equal to 2 pi r, is equal to 2 into pi is replaced by 22 by 7 or 2.1. 3.14 into 40. That is 1 centimeter is the perimeter. Then what is speed? Distance by time. Distance by time. Therefore, distance is equal to speed into time. That is 66 km per hour means is equal to 66 into time. That is 60 minutes. That is in centimeter or meter. Yes. Then in 10 minutes, D is equal to 66 into 60 into, that is 1 hour is 60 minutes, into 10, that is the distance. Then 2 pi r into n is equal to this one. Therefore, number of revolution, that is 22 by 7. It is like as 22 by 7. The number of revolution is equal to this distance by perimeter. That is distance by perimeter is equal to 66 into 60 into 10 by perimeter, 2 into 22 by 7 into 40. That is 66 is divided by 11, 6. 20 divided by 11, 2. That is equal to 6 into 60 into 10 by 2 into 2 into 40. That is 7 goes to the numerator. 7. Then 0 cancels. Then 4 and 60. 15. 2 and 6 is equal to 3. That is equal to 3 into 15 into 7. That is 45 into 7. By 2. That is number of relationship distance, that is 66 into 60 into 10 divided by 2 into 22 by 7 into 40. That is 6 into 66 into 60 into 10 into 7 by 2 into 22 into 40. Then 0, 0. Then 66 by 11, that is 6 into 60 into 7 by 2 into 2 into 4. That is equal to 4 and 60 cancels. 6 into 15 into 7 divided by 2 into 2. 2 6 cancels, that is 3. 45 into 7. Is equal to 315 by 2 is equal to 66 SDs. Maka answer that's equal to 157 revolution. That is the total number of revolutions in 10 minutes. Okay? That means radius of that beam is 80 by 2 is 40 centimeter. And perimeter is equal to 2 pi r, that is 2 divided by 7 into 40. Then speed is equal to distance by time, therefore distance is equal to speed into time. That is 66 kilometer. Therefore, listen, there is some mistake for that one. It is centimeter. centimeter. Therefore, speed is equal to, that is equal to kilometer. Kilometer per hour. Speed is 66 kilometer per hour. That is equal to 66 into 60 into how many? Sorry, there is a mistake for that one. That is this one is centimeter. This one is kilometer. How many kilometer? 1000 meter. No meter, per kilometer. No centimeter per meter. That is 1000 meter. That is 66 into 60 into 1000 meter. Then 100 centimeter is 1 meter into 100. That is 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Therefore, it is in centimeter. Therefore, number of revolution is equal to 66 into 60 into 1000 into 100 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 4. Okay, that is the correct answer because the distance is converted into kilometer into centimeter. Therefore, it is right as this one. That is 1000 meter is 1 kilometer and 100 centimeter is 1 meter. Is equal to 66 into 60 into 1000 into 100 into 7 divided by 2 into 22 into 4. Then chances 1 0. Then 66 by 11, that is 6. 60 and 4 into 15 into 1 0 0 0 0. 4 zeros, 3 plus 1 4 zeros into 7 divided by 2 into 2. That is 2 and 6 divided by 3. Then divided by 2, that is 5 0 0. That's equal to 45 into 5. Equal to 2 to 5. How many zeros? 3 zeros. That is the number of revolution. That is 2,25,000. That is the number of revolution. That means distance is equal to speed into time. That is, this one is what? Kilometer. That is equal to 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. Therefore, we get to 2,25,000 number of revolution. That is the correct answer. Okay. That means we cannot, for the first case there is a mistake. That means we cannot convert the distance into kilometer to centimeter. Kilometer to centimeter. Therefore, the number of revolution is 2,25,000. Then exercise 12.2. First question is find area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeter and angle 60 degree. Okay, that is find area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeter and angle 60 degree. Answer is what? R is equal to 6 centimeter, theta is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, area of sector is equal to what? Theta by 360 into pi r square. That is equal to 60 by 360 into pi. Not 20, 22 by 7 or 3.14, but R is 6, therefore 3.14 into 6 into 6, that is 0, 6, 6 cancels, that is equal to 80.84 centimeter square. That is the area of that sector. Then, second question. And second question. Find area of a quadrant of a circle with perimeter 22. That is the second question. Quadrant means 1/4 of all the part. Therefore, there are 4 parts. Therefore, 360 by 4, that is 90. Therefore, theta is 90 degree. 90 by 360 watts, 1/4. Therefore, area of a circle is equal to pi r square. Then area of semicircle is equal to half pi r square. Area of a quadrant is 1/4 pi r square. Otherwise, theta is 90 degree. That is theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 90 by 360. 90 by 360 is 1/4. Therefore, area is our perimeter. That is answer is 2 pi r is equal to 22. Therefore, r is equal to 22 by 2 pi is equal to 22 by 2 into pi is 22 by 7. That 22 cancels. That is 7 by 2 centimeters. 7 by 2 is 3.5. Then area 1 by 4 pi r square is equal to 1 by 4 into pi 22 by 7 into half 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 7 cancels, we get 2. 22 and 2 cancels, we get 11. That is 11 into 7 by 4 into 2 is equal to 77 by 8. 77 divided by 8. 9 is 72 divided by then 5. Then 50. 48. That's equal to 9.625 centimeter square. That is the area of a quadrant of the circle. Then third question number 3. Length of minutes hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find area circle by minutes hand in 5 minutes. This is the next question. Listen. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Five minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Therefore, 5 minutes. Yes, sir, next 5 minutes. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes, 60 minutes. That means it is all now. Therefore, between these two means 192. Then total angle is 360. Therefore, 360 is the total angle by how many minutes? 60 minutes. is equal to 6. Therefore, in 1 minute, how many degree? 6 degree. Therefore, 5 minutes, how many degree? 6 into 5. Therefore, answer is angle in 1 minute is equal to 360 by 60 is equal to 6 degree. Therefore, angle in 5 minutes is equal to 6 into 5 is equal to 30 degree. That is equal to theta. Then radius is equal to length of the minute's hand, that is 14. R is equal to 14 centimeter. Therefore, area is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square is equal to 30 by 360 into pi. 22 by 7 into r, 14 into 14, 0, 12. Then 7 and 14, 2. That is equal to 22 into 2 into 14 by 12. Then 12 to, that is 6. 7 comma 3. That is equal to 22 into 7. 22 into 7 154 divided by 3 is equal to 5. That is the answer. Area is equal to 51.33 centimeter square. Okay. Then question number 4. Question number 4. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtend a right angle at the center. Find area of minor segment. Question number 2. Major sector. This one, a chord of a circle. This is the chord. Something there right angle. O, A, B. This angle is 90 degree. Find the area of minor segment, that is this segment. And the major segment. First of all, we can find out the area of minor segment. Then the area of the major segment is area of circle minus area of minor segment. Major sector. Okay. Then answer area of minor sector is equal to what is theta by 360 into pi r square is equal to 90 by 360 into pi. 3.14 meter because radius is 10 centimeter into 10 into 10. Then 90 and 360 4 times. That is 3.14 into 10 into 10 divided by 4. That is equal to 314 by 4 because 10 into 10 how many zeros? 2 zeros. Therefore, shifting to right. We get 314. That is equal to 157 by 2 is equal to 78.5 centimeter square. That is the area of minor sector. Therefore, area of this triangle, because this angle is 90 degree, therefore base is 40 and altitude is 40. That is half bs. Area of AOB, that is triangle AOB, is equal to half bs is equal to half into base is 40 and altitude is 40 because right angle triangle. That is equal to centimeters. Therefore, one area of minor segment is equal to area of minor 78 point 360, that is 1 by 4, 3.14 into 10 into 10, R is 10. Okay, therefore this 3.14 into 10. That is, radius is 10 centimeter. 2 10 times 5. That is equal to 50 centimeters. Therefore, area of minus segment is equal to 78.5 minus 50 is equal to 28.5 centimeters square. That is the area of minus segment. Then the major sector. Major sector means 1 minus 90 degree. That is 1 by 4. Therefore, 3 by 4. Therefore, area of major sector. One by 4 of the area minus sector. Therefore, area of major sector is equal to 3 by 4 of pi r square. Is equal to 3 by 4 into 3.14 into 10 into 10. Is equal to 3 into 314 by 4 is equal to by 4. 942 divided by 4. Then 2 times 8, 40. 3 times 12, 2, 32. 5. That's equal to 235.5 centimeters square. That is the area of the major sector. That means minor sector is 1 by 4 of pi r square. Therefore, major sector is 3 by 4 of pi r square. That is the answer. Okay, the next question, that is question number 5. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc is subtended angle 60 degree at the center. At the center. Find Question number 1. Length of arc. Area of minor sector. Three, area of segment by whole. Okay. O, A, B, this side is 60 degree, then 21 centimeter. Therefore, we can find out the length of the arc, that is AB. Area of the minor sector, okay, and the area of the segment by the whole this area. The answer is, then R is equal to 21 centimeter, theta is equal to 60 degree. Then on length of arc is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r is equal to 60 by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 21. That's equal to 63 r. That is 2 into 22 by 7 into 21 by what? R 6. 7 and it is 3. 3 into 6 is equal to 22 centimeter. Okay. Then next we can find out area of minor sector. That is question number 2. Area of sector is equal to 60 by 360 into 2 into pi r square, 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. That is by 6 is equal to 22, 7 and 22 cancels 3 into 3 into 21 divided by 6. That is 3, 2, 11. That is 11 into 21. 21, 21. Is equal to 231 centimeter square. That is the area of that minor. The area is segmented. Okay. Then this angle are equal. Therefore, this is 60. Therefore, area of triangle AOB is equal to, that is a equilateral triangle, that is root 3 a square by 4 is equal to root 3 into a, 21 into 21 by 4. We agree answer. Then area of what? Segment is equal to 231 minus root 3 into 21 into 21 by 4. Calculate this value. What is root 3? Root 3 is equal to 1 into 7. Calculate this value. And this value subtracted from this one, we get an answer, that is centimeter square. Okay. Then the remaining part will be in the next episode.